today I show you how to turn off dictation on your MacBook Air M5 or any MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. This is how to turn off the audio dictation. The video was recorded before, so what you're seeing on the screen, I was talking to it earlier than now. And if you want to turn this off and you don't want to have this option, you can press F5, so you can turn off the... when I press F5, it starts or stops the dictation. But if you want to permanently turn off the dictation, go into settings and then go to keyboard settings, and under keyboard settings scroll down until you see the dictation section, and here you can turn off the general dictation, or you can select in which languages you want to have dictation. And also you can choose the microphone source and the shortcut. It's really important that if you want another shortcut, you can turn off that shortcut, or you can turn off auto punctuation. To turn off dictation completely, I toggle it off, and now if I press F5, because it's still on the same key, it will ask me to enable dictation if I wanted to, but I'm typing this manually with the keyboard. This is if dictation is not what you want, this is how to turn it off. I prefer to use dictation, but it's not always getting things right, and sometimes I have to type more with dictation and correcting it than typing it from the beginning. Thanks for watching.